Alright, let's speed run data layers, so let's get into it. First, make sure that your level is a world partition level. If not, convert it. Next, window, world partition, data layers outliner. Next, we will need a new data layer with asset, so the chair one, and another for however many you have. Rebel. So, select your rebel, then press this button. This will add it to the data layer. So now, boom. And you'll notice that they both disappear. Why? Because the initial runtime state is set to unloaded. It has to be set to activated. Loaded just means its mesh isn't there. So as you can see, your chairs are there, but your rebel's gone. So, because I start in the chair room, we will need a blueprint to switch between them. So, we will get the data layer manager. This just handles everything. Then, set data layer runtime state. Promote this to a variable, which is instance editable, and set this to loaded and recursive. So now, inside of our end overlap, we will set this to unloaded. So for this, we can just drag in our zone. Start messing with the size of it. And set our data layer asset to our chairs just to test. Load them in. Oh, we gotta set this to activated. You gotta remember that. Boom. Now I'm going to go set up the map with all these zones. And yeah, if we just F8 out of it, we can see that the rubble is indeed unloaded and the chair room is loaded. And if I do that again, we will see vice versa.